Welcome to Walk Through Wednesdays with the Chamber. Today we are at Five Corners Laundromat and Dry Cleaning, located at 1414 South Maple Avenue. Open since 1961, they are a full-service business. They specialize in cleaning everything from everyday clothing to wedding dresses. They also offer combined dry cleaning and coin-operated laundry services, as well as alterations. Whether you need something cleaned or need help with a special request, they are here to meet all your laundry needs. Thank you for joining us today at Five Corners Laundry and Dry Cleaning, located at 1414 South Maple Avenue. The dry cleaning is open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5:30, and Saturday, 9 to 2, and the laundromat is open 24 hours a day. Thank you and have a great day.